Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing great. Today I'm going to be showing you how to predict the next market direction using the almighty powerful strategy. Okay, so these are OTC markets. I'll be analyzing the market and taking some trades. I'm looking at these two pairs, Euro GBP and USD CHF. So on this one, I'm clearly seeing a downtrend. The market should be reaching out for this level here in the nearest minute. And on this pair, USD CHF, it's an uptrend, but I'm seeing weakness in buyers. So, but let me put an alert here. So if the market comes there, I will know. And the USD CHF, it's an uptrend. I'm expecting higher highs and higher lows, but the market might be retracing to this level in the nearest minute. Okay, so having said that, I'm already seeing weakness in buyers to continue the uptrend, so we might be getting some retracement on this pair in the form of higher highs and higher lows. So for that, for 4 minutes, I'll go with the lower option here. Yeah, so I placed the lower option here because you can see on the 5 minutes we are seeing weakness in buyers, and a proper uptrend should give us higher highs and higher lows. So we presume that the market had made a high. It should be tracing to this line I have below in the next 5 minutes in the form of higher highs and higher lows. Okay, so that being said, so if it's the first time on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and do what to drop a comment. Don't forget to hit the like button. Your feedbacks are really important to me, so make sure you hit the like button and drop a comment about this trade. So looking at it, we have about 2 candles left, and the trade is running already in profit. I think we had a sniper entry point there, and I'm getting more sellers entry into the market. That looks good. That looks good. Okay, so don't forget, for those my new subscribers, I have a Telegram channel where I give daily updates about my trades and about market information. Do want to check it out. The link is in the description of this video. You join the Telegram channel and or the Telegram group, so you can engage. I might be conducting a little lecture anytime soon, so make sure you don't miss out. And I have a Facebook group at KennyEarn Trading Tips. You can join the group on Facebook. Okay, so you can see the market has been delivered to the level I was expecting, the level I'm aiming for. And we're on the last candle. Surely this is an item, a very good trade with a sniper entry point. And on this one, I think I'm supposed to go with sellers, but I don't know if the market wants to go into an uptrend. I just want to confirm the direction with maybe one red candle on this 5 minutes. But I see the market is still coming down. Okay, awesome. That was a good item. Price was delivered with a sniper entry point. You can see it on the 5 minutes. It's a whole 5 minutes candle. That was a perfect trade. Okay. Okay, so that's my first trade, and I'll look out for another opportunity to take one more trade. But if you look at this market closely, now we are getting weak sellers candles. Sellers are getting weaker. And if you look at this market closely, we have already gotten a break in market structure. So I'm expecting higher highs and higher lows in the market from that 5 minutes. So I'll still go with buyers in the next 4 minutes because I'm expecting higher highs and higher lows, just like I explained before I took the first trade. So the market should continue into an uptrend from this level. So I'll be going with buyers here for the next 4 minutes, but I would like to get a very good entry point. Yes, I'd like to get a good entry point, and hopefully buyers will come in the next 4 minutes. Okay, on this one, very good. I'm not seeing that sellers are really strong, bringing the market down, so I can go with sellers anytime soon if I get a good entry point there. But this one, the trade is already here. I just need to wait for a little drop down and I will strike. Okay, that's it. Around this area should be good. So in the next 4 minutes, I'll go with the higher option. Okay. So I placed the higher option here because of the market condition. The market has been giving us higher highs and higher lows. Even on the 5 minutes, you're seeing that the market supports buyers. So on the 1 minute, you can clearly see higher highs, higher lows. So now the market has made a low. Surely we're expecting it to continue the uptrend in the form of higher highs and higher lows. So I'm expecting buyers to come in from that level, and that was why I placed the trade there for the next 4 minutes. I'm expecting buyers to take the market above my entry point. Okay, so let's see how it goes. Okay, so the trade is running fine, and we are seeing some strong buyers entry exactly at the level I took the trade. Market reversed and buyers came in strongly, and we have a few seconds more. Awesome, that was a beautiful trade, a good ITM, and the market closed above my entry point, but buyers are not strong enough. Buyers are not strong enough to continue this uptrend, but even at that, I won my trade at the right time, and that was good. Okay, so on this one, the price has touched my alert line. The price has touched my alert level, telling me that it's ready to drop down. I would have loved to join sellers. If I get a good entry point, I'll take the trade for the next 4 minutes. for sellers to continue the market, but it seems sellers are already strong. They might not give an opportunity to join, but I still have another alert level below. So if the price gets there, surely I'm going to go with buyers. You can see this market has been giving lower highs and lower lows, and it has been moving down strongly. And on this pair, USD CHF, I think the market is getting weaker. I don't know if it wants to go into consolidation, but buyers are not giving strong candles. Oh, the chart is getting rough. Probably that might be a sign of consolidation. Let me stay off that pair. And on this one, you can see the market is trending seriously. Huge sellers entry, dropping the price down. And this trade I'm going to take is a risky trade because I'm going against this momentum of sellers, but we could still win the trade. If I predict well, if I get a good entry point, we could still get some retracement in this trend. Okay, the price is at my second alert level, so I think I'm going to go for 3 minutes here at the close of that candle because it's a retracement. Even if I go for 4 minutes, I think I'm still going to win the trade, but let me just go for 3 minutes because it's a retracement move. So in the next 3 candles, I should get some buyer's entry. Yeah, so at the close of that candle, I'll go for 3 minutes, a higher option. 3 minutes, a higher option for the market to retrace higher from that level. Okay, so you can see I placed this trade. I took a higher option here because of the general rule of thumb, how the market works. The market gives us lower highs and lower lows. So it has made a low. I'm expecting it to make a high in the form of lower highs and lower lows. So that was why I took that trade at that level, because I'm expecting buyer's retracement from there. Okay, let's see how it goes. All right, you can see our trade is running, and we are still expecting buyers. We have a few seconds more on this one, but I've not give up on this trade. The market is still close to my entry point, so I could still get some buyer's entry, right? Could still get some buyer's entry. Even if I had taken this trade for 4 minutes, I think I'll still win the trade because that level is quite strong. Beautiful. That was an ITM. I won the trade nicely, and the market made a retracement move there. So far I've placed 3 trades with all powerful strategy. I told you this is the strategy you need if you want to gain consistency in the market. If 1 minute prediction has been a problem to you, anytime you tend to follow the market or trade the next candle, that's when the candle will reverse. This powerful strategy is all you need. You can see the market is still coming up, so even if my trade was still running, I would have still won the trade in 4 minutes time, right? You can see 1 2 3 4. So 4 minutes is all you need. 4 minutes strategy power 4 is all you need. It has come to save you. Alright, I think I will end the video here. I placed 2 trades, all items. If you want to learn more, do have to contact me. My contact details are below. I wish you all good luck trading.